Sell second-hand items. Selling or renting second-hand items is another excellent way to make money immediately and a great motivation to start decluttering your space. Once you inventory the items to sell, make sure to take high-quality images before listing them on online marketplaces. If you plan to do this in the longer term, also consider building a website to host your own online store. One of the most popular categories to sell online is clothing. The market value of the second-hand clothing industry is predicted to reach $77 billion by 2026. There are plenty of online marketplaces catering to the second-hand clothing and accessories market. Here are a few examples. Tradesy specializes in women's clothing, bags, shoes, and accessories. Etsy, an excellent marketplace to sell unique, handmade, and vintage items. Rebel, sell clothes and accessories on this second-hand luxury online retailer. Depop, a popular platform for both vintage and designer goods. Other than clothes and accessories, make money online by selling used items such as furniture, gadgets, sports equipment, and art tools. The used car market also saw a rise in demand in 2020. Some of the best online marketplaces to sell used items of all categories on include eBay, a popular choice for various types of products, including collectibles and vehicles. Gadget Salvation focuses on used gadgets like laptops, phones, and tablets. Facebook Marketplace, an ideal option for targeting local buyers. Reverb, a great place to sell musical instruments and gear. Fat Llama, an excellent option for people wanting to list items for others to lease instead of selling them.